Appijack termasuk perusahaan yang ikut disibukkan dengan pandemi dan mulai digunakannya vaksin Pfizer dan BioNTech di Amerika Serikat. Perusahaan ini memproduksi jarum suntik dan baru mendapat pinjaman senilai 590 juta dolar dari swasta maupun pemerintah federal untuk bisa memproduksi secara massal jarum suntik yang telah diisi.
This simple and powerful device will change people's life all over the world because to this day, there's people who don't have access to drugs or vaccines because either the supply chain is complicated or too difficult, the cost might not be right. This is going to be transformational. And I think once again, for all of us, it's really energizing to think we're going to solve our own problems. We're going to have a technology that enables that. But also, with that amount, with that capacity, we're going to do what the US has always done, is to show to the rest of the world and say we're here to help.
Pinjaman yang diberikan kepada Appijack digunakan membangun pabrik di North Carolina yang bisa memproduksi hingga 3 miliar jarum suntik setiap tahunnya.
At the end of the day, this capacity is not only needed for the pandemic, but is needed for America. And that's where we get excited. We're going to build something that everyone's going to be very proud of. It's going to give confidence that we will never go into another situation that people say, wow, we have a crisis. Can we manage? Well, the U.S. government, in partnership with Appijack and other investors, are saying we will never put ourselves there again. Let's build this incredible campus in North Carolina.
Perusahaan Corning Inc. yang memproduksi botol obat juga mendapat suntikan dana 204 juta dolar dari pemerintah federal guna meningkatkan kapasitas produksinya.
There's 350 million Americans. There's billions globally. So I really think there's plenty of room for multiple injectors. I'd be shocked, frankly, if only 2 will be on the market. I would imagine 4 and 5 will be coming out to meet the need. Sounds like an enormous amount of injectors that could be utilized. But when you get down to, how are you going to vaccinate 300 million Americans? Just the logistics itself is mind-boggling.
Peningkatan kapasitas produksi elemen pendukung seperti jarum suntik memang relatif tak banyak mendapat perhatian dibandingkan peningkatan kapasitas produksi vaksin itu sendiri. Tapi elemen seperti jarum suntik ini sangat penting secara logistik. Perlu diingat juga bahwa vaksin-vaksin yang dikembangkan berbagai perusahaan, seperti juga vaksin-vaksin untuk penyakit lainnya, memerlukan 2 dosis alias 2 kali suntik, termasuk diantaranya vaksin COVID yang dikembangkan Pfizer maupun Moderna. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.